Well, hello there, YouTube. This is what I finally ended up with on my Ergo mounts. You can see that I actually drilled holes through the thick part, and I had to buy some new bolts because I needed longer ones. So I went to Lowe's and matched them up and bolted those on. Then I had to buy another longer bolt here because the original is short, and it actually goes this way because this has a locking pin that goes in here. You can see those little holes there probably, but I had to buy longer bolts because I want them to go in that way. And what it does, I had the highway pegs. You can see some holes here. I had the highway pegs here, but then they were way out here, and it made me do the splits, and it was just really uncomfortable. So ideally, all I wanted, put this back on, all I wanted was to get my legs up a little bit higher, and this is what it accomplished. See, normally your legs are like this on the floorboards, and your legs face down, and that's kind of uncomfortable for me because my legs will go numb sitting here. So what I did was I put the pegs up high, and now my legs are straight, and I can ride much longer this way because you can actually just put blocks on there, but I did it this way. Just put them so they're straight, and I can actually get on my tiptoes and ride like that. Now my legs are going up, and I can still stretch out if I need to. And with this, I have to have my foot on here to use the brake, which is no problem. I'm just get used to that, which is no problem. I was going to ride the Goldwing today, but it's not real nice out. I mean, it's not supposed to rain, but all my riding gear's in this, and I just have to swap it all over. I wanted to ride that today, and I probably will a little bit later. But I guess I'll take this, and this is apparently dead, so I'll start it up when I got the charger in there. See if that'll work. So I like to let it warm up a little bit, so I'll push it out. Bye.